Hi, I'm Rob, this is Tracy, and this is little Tina. I've always had vans over the years, and I'm into surfing, so just go surfing in the winter in the van. Use the van, get changed. It's so much nicer than standing out in the freezing car park.
We've had the van for 3 years in October.
Bizarrely, we tend to use it more in the winter when the surf's good than we do in the summer. Okay, so this is the kitchen of little Tina, which is an LT35, and we've got the gas stove here. LPG gas tank is underneath. Originally we had the gas bottle in here, but we took it out and got an external LPG tank underneath. So we got 3 hobs here, a grill, and yeah, works a treat. So we got the heater. We put the heater in last winter, and then I managed to come off the road on black ice, so ripped the piping off the bottom. But we got a gas heater, LPG again, which has made a difference for us in the winter. Definitely, we've been out right in the midwinter, and the heater's made a massive difference. So yeah, we got well, I'll show you the wine rack for a start. They're nicely inclined wine rack, so the bottles stay in there. All our drinks are in here. The water system from the sink is in here too. Water, wastewater, grey water, and your drinking water. And here we've got the cool box. This chopping boards. Nice tiles because they were artists. They were kind of individual. Cupboards are great because they stay in place. And you've got this nice detail, the etching on the outside. We're from Dorset, so we've got Dorset cereal and Dorset tea. The lights light up. So this is copper, and it's real nice. It's a pain in the arse to clean. This has come out of a Ford Transit, the sink unit, an old camper. Same with the windows, and they've got the same copper around the windows here, and all the handles are copper. So the partition between the cab and the kitchen basically blocks out all the light, so you can get a decent night's sleep. So we've got a solar panel on the roof, we've got a leisure battery, and then we run off the 12-volt battery. So you can see your charge here. There's USB points around the van. You can plug in your laptop. So we've got lights, we've got the spots here at the back and at the front, and these fit in perfectly into the window. And this is what I was saying here, your USB points back here if you're working at the desk here. So the seating area, we've got a nice big space, so you could have a dinner party. You can get 6-7 people in here nice and easily. And then the table will come out, slide in here. These mattress flip over, zip up, and you've got a nice big king size. Pull the table out off the legs, slots in here. All right, got it. So once you put the table down, flip the bed over, then the mattress just zips up. There you go, Tracy got it. And they just block out all the light. Or in the morning, you just got more light. Again, we've got the etching one-off tiles. The copper surrounding the lights and windows, and these very similar to the front. Yeah, do you want to see loads of fruits and bananas? So we got a deal on avocados this morning. So we got some avocados. More storage space, more space here. They just pop out and pop back in. And there's storage space here and under the bed. So from the back here, you can see the thickness of the mattresses. You get a great night's sleep on those. and it's covered up at the moment, but there's much more storage space in underneath the van. We did Wales and Cornwall, so we tend to do coastal weather surface, to be honest. Yeah, we've met some amazing, really nice people. So I think a great tip for van life is just don't overplan. We're pretty good at just going away and go wherever it looks nice. And Tracy's pretty good for having a place for everything, so being nice and organised really helps. And this van's got a ton of storage, so you can do that.
I hope you enjoyed that content. If you hadn't noticed, we do have an ebook that we sell, and the link is just in the description. It contains 160 pages crammed full of practical advice, walkthrough information, electronic schematics and part lists, which will make your job a lot easier for doing a van conversion, and it will save you time and money. Also, we've created special videos for the ebook which enable you to see walkthroughs for how to do loads of things in a van conversion. So that's for water systems, for your electrics, for how to do simple woodwork joints that anyone can do. And I really believe that anyone, regardless of their experience, can make a half decent van conversion. Thanks for watching. We really appreciate you watching our content, and we put a lot of effort to make it interesting, informative, and find those cool projects to feature on our channel. Consider subscribing, leave a comment, and we'll see you next week.